Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. From the vast reaches of space to the intricate workings of the natural world, our planet is full of surprises that challenge our understanding and leave us in awe. Let's embark on a journey of discovery, peeling back the layers of the ordinary to reveal the extraordinary. Get ready to have your mind blown. The African savanna, a place of breathtaking beauty and raw power. This vast expanse of land is home to some of the most iconic wildlife on the planet. It's here that we find the giraffe, the tallest mammal on Earth, gracefully moving through the landscape, reaching for the highest leaves. But did you know that these gentle giants are 30 times more likely to be struck by lightning than humans? This surprising fact highlights the unique challenges they face. It might sound improbable, but consider their environment. The open savanna, with its vast flat terrain, offers little protection from the elements. Giraffes roam open grasslands, often beneath towering thunderclouds. These clouds can produce powerful lightning storms. Their very height, which gives them such an advantage in spotting predators from afar, also makes them a prime target for lightning strikes during these storms. Now, before you imagine giraffes dropping from the sky every time a storm rolls in, it's important to remember that lightning strikes of any kind are relatively rare events. The odds of a human being struck by lightning in a given year are about 1 in 500,000. This statistic helps put things into perspective. So, while giraffes might be more susceptible due to their height and habitat, the actual chances of being struck remain incredibly low. These magnificent creatures continue to thrive in their natural habitat despite the odds. Identical twins, a marvel of nature, two individuals sharing the same DNA, virtually indistinguishable from one another. But look closer, examine their fingertips, and you'll discover a surprising truth. Identical twins do not have the same fingerprints. How can this be, you ask? After all, fingerprints are determined by our genes, aren't they? Well, yes and no. While our DNA provides the blueprint for our fingerprint patterns, the environment plays a crucial role in their development. Inside the womb, subtle differences in pressure, position, and even the length of the umbilical cord can influence the formation of those intricate ridges on our fingertips. It's like two artists starting with the same colors, but painting on different canvases. The end result may be similar, but never identical. Our planet, a celestial dancer spinning through the vastness of space. For millennia, Earth's rotation has remained remarkably constant, a reliable measure of time. But what if I told you that our planet's spin is slowing down? It's true, though imperceptibly so. The culprit? The gravitational pull of the moon. The moon's gravity creates tides, not just in our oceans, but also in the Earth's crust. These tidal forces act as a brake, ever so slightly slowing down our planet's rotation. Don't worry, we're not talking about a sudden standstill. The effect is minuscule, adding just a few milliseconds to the length of a day every century. But over geological timescales, these milliseconds add up. In fact, millions of years ago, a day on Earth was much shorter, perhaps as short as 22 hours. The human brain, a marvel of complexity, the seat of our thoughts, emotions, and memories. But beneath its sophisticated exterior lies a surprising secret. Your brain is constantly eating itself. Don't be alarmed, this is a good thing. This process, known as phagocytosis, is essential for maintaining a healthy brain. Specialized cells called microglia act as the brain's garbage collectors, engulfing and digesting damaged cells, toxins, and other debris that could interfere with brain function. Imagine a bustling city with a dedicated sanitation crew working tirelessly to keep the streets clean and orderly. That's what your microglia are doing day in and day out, ensuring the smooth operation of your most vital organ. Deep in the annals of paleontological history lies a discovery that's not for the faint of heart: the largest piece of fossilized dinosaur poo ever found. This prehistoric behemoth, measuring over 30 centimeters long and boasting a volume of over 2 liters, offers a fascinating glimpse into the digestive habits of dinosaurs. Discovered in Saskatchewan, Canada, this coprolite, as fossilized dung is scientifically known, provides valuable insights into the diet and ecosystem of the dinosaur that produced it. By analyzing its contents, scientists can determine what plants or animals the dinosaur consumed, shedding light on the prehistoric food chain. It might not be the most glamorous fossil find, but it's a potent reminder that even the most mundane aspects of life can offer extraordinary insights into the past. When we gaze up at the night sky, we see a tapestry of darkness sprinkled with the light of countless stars. But have you ever wondered what the average color of all that cosmic wonder might be? The answer, surprisingly, is a rather mundane shade beige. In 2002, a team of astronomers from Johns Hopkins University set out to determine the average color of the universe. They analyzed the light from over 200,000 galaxies and, after averaging it all out, arrived at a hue they dubbed cosmic latte. It's not exactly the most inspiring name for a cosmic color, but it reflects the reality that the universe is filled with a mixture of stars, both young and old, emitting light across a wide spectrum. And when all those colors are blended together, the result is a rather ordinary shade of beige. This discovery was not just a trivial pursuit, it provided insights into the composition and evolution of the universe. By understanding the average color, scientists can infer the types of stars and galaxies that dominate the cosmos. This beige hue, or cosmic latte, tells us that the universe is in a balanced state with a mix of young blue stars and older red stars. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that all those brilliant colors combine to create something quite ordinary, yet profoundly telling. The universe in all its vastness and complexity averages out to a simple, humble shade of beige. History is replete with tales of epic battles and protracted wars that have shaped the course of civilizations. But, tucked away in the annals of history is a conflict so short-lived that it almost defies belief: the Anglo-Zanzibar War. On August 27, 1896, tensions between Britain and the Zanzibar Sultanate, located on the east coast of Africa, reached a boiling point. At precisely 9 a.m. local time, the British Royal Navy unleashed a furious barrage on the Sultan's palace, marking the official start of the war. Just 38 minutes later, at 9:38 a.m., the Sultan's forces were overwhelmed and a ceasefire was declared. The Anglo-Zanzibar War had come to an end, securing its place in history as the shortest war ever recorded. Honey, a golden nectar produced by bees for millennia, has long been prized for its sweetness and versatility. But honey possesses a remarkable quality that sets it apart from most other foods: it never spoils. Archaeologists have unearthed pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old, and guess what? The honey inside was still perfectly edible. How is this possible, you ask? Honey's longevity can be attributed to its unique chemical composition. Honey has a very low water content, making it inhospitable to bacteria and other microorganisms that cause spoilage. Additionally, honey contains an enzyme that produces hydrogen peroxide, a natural antiseptic. These factors combine to create a food that can last for centuries, a testament to nature's ingenuity. The world of fruits is full of surprises. We bite into juicy oranges, savor the sweetness of grapes, and enjoy the tartness of raspberries. But what if I told you that some fruits aren't what they seem? Take the banana, for instance. Despite its elongated shape and lack of seeds, the banana is, botanically speaking, a berry. A berry is defined as a fruit that develops from the ovary of a single flower and contains one or more seeds. And yes, those tiny black specks inside a banana are indeed seeds, albeit underdeveloped ones. Now, let's turn our attention to the strawberry. Despite its name, the strawberry is not a true berry. Instead, it's considered an aggregate fruit, meaning it develops from multiple ovaries of a single flower. Those tiny seeds on the outside of a strawberry are actually individual fruits called achenes. Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is a planet that has fascinated scientists and astronomers for centuries. Often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, Venus shares many characteristics with our home planet. But beneath its swirling clouds lies a world of extreme temperatures and crushing pressure, making it a hostile environment for life as we know it. And if that weren't strange enough, Venus has a rather peculiar quirk. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. This is one of the most intriguing aspects of this mysterious planet. How is this possible, you ask? It's a question that has puzzled many. It all comes down to Venus's unusual rotation. Unlike most planets in our solar system, Venus rotates in the opposite direction. Unlike Earth, which spins on its axis in a counterclockwise direction, Venus rotates clockwise. And it does so at an excruciatingly slow pace, taking its time as it spins. In fact, it takes Venus longer to complete one rotation on its axis, a staggering 243 Earth days, than it does to orbit the Sun, which takes only 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus, measured from sunrise to sunrise, is longer than a Venusian year. Imagine experiencing a single day that stretches over what we would consider more than half a year. It's a mind-boggling concept, one that challenges our understanding of time and planetary motion. This phenomenon is a testament to the incredible diversity of our solar system, showcasing the unique and fascinating characteristics of the planets that share our cosmic neighborhood. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, from the tiniest insects to the largest galaxies. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of awe. See you next time.